discuss about sets in Python. One of the built-in data types. Objects in a set can be of any data type. It is also a collection data type such as list or tuple. It is not an ordered collection. That means items in a set not accessible by its position, index, collection of one or more immutable objects enclosed within curly brackets. So these are all the points about set. That means we'll see the better view. For example, set 1 equal to, let us take one student data, his name, his standard, then his age and his weight in one set. We'll see some other set which can hold about numeric numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We'll take some other variable, some other set which holds only characters like this. We'll see some other set with multiple data type. For example, this one, this is a first one is float value and this is a boolean value, negative integer, then one complex number. So how to print these values? Print. We'll check this particular code in Python editor. Go to PyCharm, new file, type the name of the file, set example.py. Here paste your code. Now run the code. You will get to know the result. This is a first set, this is second set, this is a third one, this is a fourth one. So if you observe the items which we have stored in set, if you observe here, so if you see in output, those are not in order, then we'll go to set function. It is one of the built-in function. It takes any sequence object means, for example, list, tuple or string argument and returns a set object. What is the syntax? Obj equal to set sequence. What about parameters for this function? Sequence an object of list, tuple or string. What is the return value? It returns a set object from the sequence, discarding the repeated elements in it. So return what it returns? It returns a set object from the sequence, discarding the repeated elements. Suppose if some repeated elements are there, it will discard. It will not allow duplicates. We'll see some example about sequence type, list, tuple and all, how we can convert to set, and also how we can map to set to string to set. Okay, we'll see example. Let us take one list. We'll take above example. This one I will take in list, same values. Then set one, we'll use set function. For set function, we'll give sequence, that is a list, and we'll print set one. This is one thing. Then we will take tuple 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. We'll take another set and we'll use set function. We'll give tuple 1 as a input. Then we'll print set 2. This is for list to set. This is for tuple to set. Then third example, we'll take string set. We'll take one str equal to welcome. Set 3 will take str and we'll give str as a input. Set to str. Print set 3. We'll execute this program and we'll see. Yeah, you can see all list converted to set, then tuple converted to set, then also string converted to set. So if you observe third one string, in welcome, we have two E characters. This one, but in the output, this one came only once. So another item, another E, when it converted to set, got discarded. So duplicates will be discarded in set. That you need to observe. Okay. So what we observed is set is a collection of distinct objects. Even if you repeat an object in the collection, only one copy is retained in it. Then another point is only immutable objects can be used to form set object. Any number, type, string, and tuple is allowed, but you cannot keep a list or a dictionary in a set. One more point is, even though mutable objects are not allowed or not stored in a set, set itself is a mutable object. Python has a special operators to work with sets, and there are different methods in a set class to perform add, remove, update operations on elements of a set object. Now we'll discuss about how to access set items. So since set is not a sequence data type, its items cannot be accessed individually as they do not have a positional index. Set items do not have a key either to access, like dictionary. Dictionaries will be having keys, but even set items do not have. You can only traverse set items using a for. We'll see how we can do that. For example, I'll take this one. No, not this. I'll take one. Take this one. Let us take this one. Let us give some value. Okay. Now for let us take some like chr set. Okay. For chr in the set, then print chr. This is the way we need to access set items. Okay, and now we'll execute. You can see whatever we have given, it is coming like this. WCOML. Here whatever it is there, it will come. Okay. Now one more concepts we will see. Python membership operators let you check if a certain item is available in the set. For example, if you take subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, for example. Now you type print maths in subjects. Will also test. Suppose any one subject that is not there in the set. Suppose let us say English in subjects. It will check this maths is there in this set or English is there. If suppose maths is there, it will say true. Here in this case, English is not there in set. It will say false. We'll test it. Yeah, the first one is true. That is maths. Second one is English false. So we have understood this. Now we will see how to add. For example, how to add set items. Even if set holds together only immutable objects, set itself is a mutable. We can add new items in it by using method called add method. So we'll see syntax set dot add object parameter for this function object, an object of any immutable type. Then we'll see an example. For example, we see this only. This data will take it. Okay. Now subjects dot add. Let us say we'll add English. Then print. We'll check this. Print before add. Original set. Add an item. After add display set item. So we'll observe the difference. You can see physics, maths, chemistry, original. Then once we add English, after adding the set become modified. So English also got added. So this is the one you need to understand. Okay, so that's all for today's session. We'll discuss some other set methods in next session.